good night socks. Where are the socks?
Good night socks.
Okay, alright. Wait, I have nails and I can't. Okay, turn the page.
Alright, up, down, out.
Here we go.
Push,
Here we go.
push.
No, you still want to look at that one. Oh. Good, good, good. Can we go backwards?
We can extend this by going backwards. You may never have to go to bed again.
Good night,
Night,
little
little
house.
house.
And good night,
Good night,
mouse.
mouse.
Look at the mouse. No, not your footsie, honey. Look at the mouse.
Looks dead.
He does.
Oh,
Okay.
grandma.
Good night, comb.
You'd never guess we do this for a living. We record books.
We record books.
Someday you may get one of them.
Good night, comb. And good night, brush. Do you want to turn the page? Oh. Yes. Good night, nobody.
And good night dinner.
Give here. It says good night, Bush. Come on, good grandma. Come on, good
We better
grandma.
grab them.
Oh,
All right.
we're gonna finish the book with you.
Good night, nobody. Good
Yes.
night, much. You want to push the page over?
Here, look. Good night to the old lady. Whispering hush.
Yeah, it's time for bed.
And good night, stars.
And good night,
Good
air.
night, air. Oh,
And good night.
noises.
And good noises everywhere.